What's up? You checking out the Frequent Flyer, and I got some of my favorites out from Gearbest. Gearbest is having their annual 11/11 day sale, so it's a lot of great deals going on over at Gearbest. And this time they're introducing something new. It's called Deposit Expansion. You pay a small deposit and get an extra discount when you pay the remaining balance later. All the items available for this feature will be labeled and have the amount displayed that the deposit will be worth when done paying the remaining balance. So select the item you want, hit checkout, and you can pay a deposit. Then later you can find the product under My Order and see when you can pay the remaining balance and get a discount for it. And that's it. So make sure you head over to Gearbest and check out all the great deals that they have. The promotion will be running from now until the 11th. I know I'm a little late with it, but better now than never. I'll have links in the description to some of the things that I checked out and thought were great deals. And thanks for watching.